As you see here, I have some hydraulic lines broken. This line's broken with the fitting on there. That one broke with the piece inside. Using this 1/2-inch variable speed drill, 7/16 drill bit. Carefully, okay. Put a little bit of thread tape on here. Okay. This 7/16 drill bit is just small enough to drill out the holes without ruining the threads. Oh, mailman went by. On there. I know I didn't show you the hydraulic line the first time, but I want to see how it goes. So therefore now I thought I'll show you the hydraulic line replacement, which is the same concept as the first one. Great. Getting on there. A couple more turns. You want to overturn and break it. We'll be back to square one. Ooh. There's that one. Great. See if it starts anyway. I haven't started for about 4 days. Normally I have a board between the plow and the attachment plate, but in this case, I forgot. As you see here, this has bob tack, which is a push button hydraulic latch system, which is good. Then I'll have to get outside and manually stomp them down. Fixed it. A couple things from the hardware store. Works all right. I appreciate you watching this. So long.